Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can rearrange and customize your home screen in your Infinix Note 12 Pro. So we'll start from the widgets. If you want to add any widget, just hold your finger on the home screen and choose widgets. Then look for the desired widget and choose it. I will choose something from Google Chrome. You can see there we have a few widgets. If you want to add some, just hold the finger again and drop it into home screen. If you want to resize it, just hold the finger again and choose resize. If you want to make a folder, just hold any app and drop onto another. You can see now we have a folder here. To change the name, just open it and click on the name. If you want to add more, click here and choose the apps. Okay, the next thing to change is you have to open the home screen menu again, go to the menu and choose Appearance Settings. Now, how you can see there we have a few options. We can change the app transition. Okay, so we have to go to menu again. If you want to change the underscore grid, you can change it here. And if you want to change the text color, just choose your new text. If you want to change it for the custom, you can do it by clicking this option. Now we can go to back and go to the other settings. As you can see now we have a blur options here or zero screen. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.